Morning or evening? Is one workout time truly better than the other? Today we're diving deep into the science, the pros, the cons, and most importantly, what works best for you. Whether you're chasing fitness goals, trying to improve your energy, or just squeezing exercise into a busy schedule, this video will help you decide the ideal time to break a sweat. Stay with me because what you'll discover might completely change your routine. Welcome to today's video, where we unravel the ongoing debate: morning workouts versus evening workouts. Each has its die-hard fans, but is it just a matter of personal preference, or is there actual science backing one over the other? By the end of this video, you'll not only know the benefits and drawbacks of each, but also have a clear idea of which one aligns with your goals and lifestyle. If you've ever debated this topic, or have a preference, let us know in the comments. Are you team morning or team evening? Let's start with morning workouts. Pros. 1. Boost productivity all day long. Exercising in the morning releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones, that can keep you energized and focused for the rest of the day. This is especially beneficial if you're working a 9 to 5 or need that mental edge early on. 2. Consistency is easier. Morning workouts often face fewer interruptions since they're completed before the chaos of the day begins. No late meetings, last-minute plans, or energy slumps getting in the way. 3. Improve sleep patterns. Studies suggest that morning exercisers tend to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, falling asleep faster and enjoying better quality rest. Cons. 1. Lower body temperature. In the morning, your body's temperature is naturally lower, and muscles may feel stiffer. Warming up properly is essential to avoid injury. 2. Less strength and stamina. Research shows that strength and performance can peak later in the day, meaning you may not hit your personal bests during a morning session. Are you a morning person, or just starting to build the habit? Drop a comment if this resonates with you. Now, let's talk about evening workouts. Pros. 1. Peak performance levels. By the afternoon or evening, your body temperature is higher, your muscles are more flexible, and strength levels tend to peak. This is when you're most likely to hit those personal records. 2. Stress relief. An evening workout can help you unwind after a long day, reducing stress levels and clearing your mind before bed. 3. Flexible schedules. For many, evenings offer more free time to dedicate to longer, more intense workouts without the morning rush. Cons. 1. Risk of skipping. Evening plans, fatigue, or unexpected obligations can derail even the best intentions. 2. Potential sleep interference. High-intensity evening workouts can elevate heart rates and adrenaline, making it harder to fall asleep. Though this isn't true for everyone. Are evening workouts your jam? Share how you handle post-workout energy in the comments. Now, here's the truth. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best workout time depends on your goals and lifestyle. If your priority is weight loss or building consistency, mornings may be your best bet. If you're looking to build strength or hit performance goals, evenings might suit you better. And if neither time fits, remember this: the best time to work out is the one you'll stick to. Whether you're in the United States balancing work-life schedules, or part of a global audience adapting to different time zones, the key takeaway is to listen to your body and align your workout time with your priorities. While these tips are backed by science, everyone's body reacts differently to exercise timing. Some people may feel groggy working out in the morning, while others might struggle with late-night adrenaline spikes. Don't be swayed by trends or myths. Test what works for you and build your routine around it. Have you experimented with different workout times? Tell us what worked best for you and why. Let's assist in helping everyone the way we can. So, there you have it. Morning versus evening workouts, each with unique benefits and challenges. The best time isn't about what works for someone else. It's about what aligns with your goals, energy levels, and schedule. Whether you're starting your fitness journey or looking to optimize your routine, the key is to show up and stay consistent. And that's how you'll win any time of day. Stay sparked till I see you next. If you found this video helpful, politely hit the thumbs up icon, subscribe for more fitness insights, and share it with a friend who's debating morning versus evening workouts.